Hello, in front of me I have VIVO V60E, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your WhatsApp. Alright, the process is really easy. We need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, click on those three dots in the top right corner and open up the settings. Now find chats, scroll down a little until you find chat backup. Okay, and now let's begin with Google account. Simply tap on that, and you can see that in my case, currently this Google account is selected. And on that account, in the cloud of it, to be more precise, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore that backup later in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here, on your device of course. If you would like to use different account, simply click on Add, and then log into second Google account. Down below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is turned off, but you can say that in my case I put it only monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty cool thing. Simply I don't need to remember about making a backup because it will be done automatically. So if you want, you can pick one of those modes. Okay, let's enable to include the videos in our backup. And on the bottom, we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here you'll be able to create a unique password that you'll need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But be aware that if you create that password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore your chats later. But it's not necessary to create it. It's like an extra security feature. You don't need to turn it on to create a backup. Okay. Also, make sure that you have some free Google storage space. If you don't have enough, you'll have to click on that and simply clean some space. And now, to create a backup, simply hit backup button. The process will start. In my case, it won't take long because I don't have many messages. Alright, in my case, it's done. As you take a look on the last backup, you can take a look on the hour. It's the same. So, that's like a confirmation that everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.